Best deals. 1. Egg whisk. Made of high-quality durable stainless steel and use highly polished processing method to bring the dual rust resistance protection of stainless steel. Ergonomically designed for excellent balance and control for a difference you can really feel in the hand, constructed for durability and reliability. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Strainer. Featuring a practical lid and a convenient lift chain, this infuser offers hassle-free immersion and removal in any cup or mug. The hook keeps it secure while the fine mesh guarantees a clear, quality tea experience. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coconut scraper. Features razor-sharp, strong teeth for effortless coconut scraping, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Basket. Perfect as a fruit basket for dining table, fruit bowl, or vegetable basket, keeps your space neat and organized, with a breathable net cover that shields your fruits from insects and dust while allowing air circulation. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Garlic crusher. Designed for comfort, the non-slip handle provides excellent grip and leverage, reducing hand fatigue. Built to last with rust-resistant, food-grade stainless steel for long-term use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cutter. Creates 6 cm square shapes with smooth, straight edges for a professional finish. Made with high-quality steel to ensure consistent performance and longevity. Designed for comfort and control during use. Lightweight and simple to clean for hassle-free use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grater. The well-designed drainage holes make cleaning easier and save trouble. Anything you can think of in the kitchen can be cleaned, and he can do it for you with satisfaction. Solve your worries of repeatedly pouring water during cleaning, saving you more time. This stainless steel bowl can also be used to directly heat scald or milk. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Finger protector. These premium finger guard don't require any special maintenance and can simply be rinsed after use to be enjoyed every day, or you can put them in your dishwasher in the cutlery holder. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Wok brush. Flexible steel brush can handle heavy cleaning jobs, while the fine steel wire design allows it to clean every corner and cranny. It's perfect for cleaning pots, skillets, ovens, pans, grills, bottles, and more. The brush features an ergonomic handle. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Stone's ice cubes. Reusable, never rusted or corroded, the surface is very smooth and no add any impurities to the drink. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Strainer. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this oil strainer is rust resistant, heat resistant, and built to last, ensuring long-lasting performance with every use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Frother. Made from top-grade stainless steel, this milk frother for coffee is highly durable. Fill the frother mug halfway with hot milk and cold milk. Close the lid and use the plunger to plunge the milk rapidly about 10 to 12 times. Remove the lid and plunger. Pour hot foamy milk into your coffee cup and enjoy your coffee. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scrubber. Heavy-duty stainless steel bristles, effectively removes burnt food, grease, and tough stains from pots, pans, cast iron, and gas stoves without scratching surfaces. Features a strong, non-slip grip that offers better control and reach, keeping your hands safe from hot water and harsh chemicals. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pizza cutter. The beauty of the pizza knife rocker is that the cut is straight, fast and won't catch on crusts or tough ingredients like a pizza wheel would. Simplicity and no fuss. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cream roll. Food grade stainless steel. 100% high quality anti-rust stainless steel with no coating on both inside and outside, which is non-toxic and healthy. You can easily maintain them because they are made from stainless steel so will not rust, are durable and it is easy to wash them ready for the next use. It is a good DIY tool to fill with your favorite recipe. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Basket. Simply place the basket, feet side down, in your pot of choice. When you are ready to put away, then fold into its original half size. The legs can be screwed off and it takes up less space than bamboo steamer baskets. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Pasteur Noodle Cutter. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this Pasteur Noodle Cutter ensures longevity and resistance to rust and corrosion. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Fish Scale Remover. Smooth stainless steel construction allows for simple washing and maintenance after each use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Spice Ball. The perfect way to enjoy a cup of fresh brew tea. Filter your favorite loose tea leaves with our easy-to-use and clean tea filters. Made of good quantity 304 grade stainless steel, long-lasting durability for a long time use. Hang the ball from your teapot or pan handle with the attached hook and is easily removable when your tea have fully steeped. Designed with a hook and long chain to clasp on teacup or pot for easy retrieval and removal when the tea is done steeping. Smooth rounded edge makes it safe to use. It will be convenient to enjoy a cup of hot tea at home and at work. Easy to clean. Take out the soaked tea leaf, just flush it with water, and keep dry after clean. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Cup. The stainless steel camping cup is suitable for the travel, hiking, camping, outdoor, fishing, mountaineering and other outdoor activities. Our collapsible measuring cups are perfect if you fancy a quick tipple while you are on the move. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Decorating Set. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these nozzles are resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Suitable for various decorating techniques, including icing, fondant work, and creating intricate designs on cakes, cupcakes, and pastries. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cutter. Built with premium stainless steel, the keychain ensures exceptional durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance, perfect for everyday use in any environment. Features a secure quick-release carabiner, allowing you to effortlessly attach or detach keys, tools, or ID cards, making it an ideal companion for fast-paced lifestyles. With a sleek aesthetic, making it a stylish accessory that complements any personal style or professional setting. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tofu Mold. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel. Remove the lid and slide the base of the container in place. Place the paneer maker on the plate. Line the inside of the paneer maker with a cheesecloth or cotton cloth. Cover with the lid and press the lid from the top to drain the liquid. The tofu maker mold is elegantly designed. It allows you the hassle-free working and making paneer. Elevate your culinary adventures by effortlessly creating fresh, delicious, and wholesome paneer or tofu right in the comfort of your kitchen. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this press mold maker ensures durability and hygiene. It's designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, maintaining its performance and appearance over time. Thoughtful design makes pressing paneer or tofu a breeze. Simply place your curd or soy milk mixture into the mold, apply gentle pressure with the press blade, and allow the excess moisture to drain out. This ensures firm, well-textured blocks every time. Product link is given in the 23rd link.